Hello and welcome. Today guys, I'm gonna share with you all one of the most requested recipes on my channel, and this one is for stuffed shells. So when I make this, I usually use the lasagna meat sauce, that red meat sauce, to stuff into the shells, but today I'm gonna be doing a different version for you guys. So to start, I put up my pan to heat up on medium heat, and here I have one package of Italian turkey sausage. You can use pork sausage if you like. This one is out of the casing. If you can't find this one, you can use the one in the casing, but you'll want to remove the casing. And all I'm going to do is add this to my pot. So you just want to break up the meat in the pot, and we're going to cook this until it has a nice brown color. If you're using very lean meat, you would want to add some oil to the pot. Now that the meat has started to brown, I'm going to add in some chopped onions. And some collard bell peppers. I'm just going to give this a mix. We want those vegetables to start to soften and caramelize. Now you'd want to taste your Italian sausage and see if it has enough salt. If it doesn't, you can add some salt to this. To this, I'm going to add in some chopped spinach, and I'm using frozen spinach, but if you wanted to use fresh spinach for this, you can. If you wanted to use some choy bhaji for this, you can. So I'm just going to mix that in. Okay, once the mixture comes together, you want to set this aside and allow it to cool down completely. Okay, while the filling is cooling down, I put up a pot with some water. I'm going to use this to boil my shells, and I'm using these jumbo shells. You can use any brand you can get your hands on. I'm just going to lightly salt this water because you want to season the shells a little bit. You don't just want it to be bland. And now I'm going to add in the shells. And I'm going to be boiling these for about 5 minutes. Okay, so to my cooled filling, I'm going to add in some ricotta cheese. If you guys cannot find ricotta, you can use cream cheese or mascarpone cheese, whatever soft cheese you can find or that you like. And I'm just going to mix that in. You don't want to use a stringy cheese for this. Okay, once mixed in, just set this aside. Okay, so the shells are finished. You want to boil them enough where you can be able to open it out and fill that stuffing inside. So I'm going to drain these and see you guys right back. Okay guys, now to assemble. Now I'm going to be using this creamy vodka pasta sauce. You can use any type of pasta sauce you like. So what I'm going to do is pour a layer of this on the bottom of my baking dish. Okay, now to assemble. Once the shells cool down and you can handle them, you're going to open the shells and you're going to take a spoonful of the filling and place it inside of the shell. And you're just going to place this into the tomato sauce. And you're going to continue filling the shells and placing them in the sauce until you've filled up all of the shells. Okay, after you finish stuff the shells, you're going to top it with some mozzarella cheese or your favorite cheese. Next, this goes into your oven to bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 to 20 minutes until it's brown and bubbly. So guys, the stuffed shells just came out of the oven and these are ready to be served. I just want to tell you all, if you're a vegetarian and you want to make this, substitute the minced meat or the Italian sausage for mushrooms. And you can add more vegetables to this if you like. Now, all you have to do is serve this as is. Now you can serve this as a side dish or you can serve it as a main dish. So if you guys enjoyed today's recipe, please remember to give the video a thumbs up and to share it with your friends. If you're new to my channel and you like what you see, I hope you subscribe. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all another day with another one of my recipes. Enjoy!